Hi, I'm Michael Symon, and I am here with Knob Creek making you some of my favorite cocktails. We are going to do a little spin on an old fashioned. Now, the cool thing about the old fashioned is that it's been around since pre-prohibition, and Knob Creek is a pre-prohibition style whiskey. So it has that depth of flavor, that full flavor, and it takes a lot of patience. 9 years of aging is what makes it so fantastic. Now, this is really easy to put together. The first thing that we do is we have 2 parts Knob Creek, and we're just going to put these all over ice. And then in addition to this, we took our sweet vermouth and I split a vanilla bean and put it into the sweet vermouth, and you let it in there for minimally 24 hours, but it could be in there for literally up to a year. And it's just going to perfume that sweet vermouth with a little bit of vanilla flavor. 1 part of that. And then 2 different kinds of bitters. We just have about 4 dashes of your favorite classic bitters, and then 2 dashes of an orange style bitters. We give this a stir. Right into our glass. And then what makes it roasted is the thing that I love with vanilla is coffee. So we're going to take some beautiful French roasted coffee beans and just grate them right over the top of our cocktail. So there you go. Roasted old fashioned. It is going to be fantastic. Here's to you. Cheers. Enjoy. And if you want more great recipes, join the original Brothers of Bourbon by visiting knobcreek.com.